Peacock to watch it. And there's some people saying, that's not very convenient.
Right. Yeah, and that's the point, right? They want you to sign up.
Yeah, exactly.
We'll see what happens with that game.
Well, Kat Campbell joining us now. I think people, are they going to have cookouts this weekend? Is it best to stay inside? What do you think the plans should look like weather-wise?
It looks like a pretty normal January weekend for us. We just got to get through tonight. It'll be pretty windy outside this weekend, so maybe don't go with an outdoor fire pit. But if you want to grill out for a brief period of time, I think you'll be in okay shape to do it. The clouds are rolling into Durham. The rain is going to be coming in the next half hour to Durham. It's right on your doorstep if you live in Chapel Hill. We saw a few sprinkles move through Fayetteville. A little bit more rain is moving in, but these are just some showers out ahead of this main line. And if the air was warmer and more humid, these showers could be severe. But as of right now, we don't have that warm, humid air in place to help energize the atmosphere, and that's limiting our severe weather potential. What you would need for a better chance for something severe to pop up would be both of the numbers in this box to be in the 60s. So you'd need the temperature and the dew point in the 60s to really have fuel for those thunderstorms. And while temperatures are starting to warm into the 60s, the dew points are still pretty low across the area. So we're going to wait for that more humid air to get here. And the latest high resolution models really don't have it getting here until after 8 o'clock tonight and lasting through about 1 a.m. So we'll be here with you tonight, keeping you up to date in case any severe storms flare up, but it's not a widespread threat, and it's mainly southeast of the triangle. For the weekend, 53 tomorrow, 55 on Sunday. You've got lots of sunshine this weekend. It ends up being pretty nice outside. Tomorrow morning, it's not terribly cold. Temperatures are going to be in the upper 40s. We barely warm up from there, and then temperatures start to really cool off as we head into tomorrow night. So by Sunday morning, temperatures are going to be back near freezing. We have some really cold air on the way, though, for next week. And to put this into perspective, I want to draw your attention right here. See where the color is missing? That's because it's not included in the color table. That's how cold this air is that it's not even, we don't even have a color to put there. They could break some records, winter records in Montana, pretty significant. But that's where this cold air is originating from. We'll see it continue to close in on North Carolina as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday, really arriving Wednesday morning. So next week, high temperatures are likely to only be in the 30s and 40s. Low temperatures could fall into the teens Wednesday morning. As of right now, I don't have teens in the triangle, but our outlying areas, more rural cities and near Virginia, should fall into the teens next week. I will say, you know, we've been in this El Nino pattern with all these storm systems, all this moisture. As soon as the cold air arrives, we don't have as much moisture to work with, but there is still some moisture next week, and we'll talk more about that coming up in the next half hour. But let's talk a little bit about Wednesday. The high only 38 degrees, and the last time our high temperature was this cold was when we had the cold air outbreak around Christmas time of 2022. So it's been a while. That's how chilly it could be. We're going to watch those overnight lows, though. We're not expecting any single digits like that right now. Looking ahead, your weekend looks pretty good. It is still likely to be dry for Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Day on Monday, but we do have quite a bit of cloud cover around. Make sure you wear a nice warm sweater or coat on Monday. Tuesday, a slight chance for some showers, a 30% chance. And then as we get to the middle of next week, even colder air arrives. We'll keep an eye on Tuesday and Friday, but right now it looks like just some light rain.
All right, we got a nice weekend once we get through tonight. Thanks, Kat.
Still to come. All right, don't be upset with me. A new study is revealing that women fall out of love sooner than men. The main reason, apparently, why feelings fizzle.
And as we head to break, let's take another live look outside. Got a look at Durham on the right side of your screen. Got the radar on the left as we watch this weather roll in. Our WRAL Weather Camera Network tracking this storm for you on this WRAL Weather Alert Day.